morning, Dogsthorpe infants. Oh my goodness, it's Monday again. I think the weekend went just like that. What do you think? Anyway, how are you today? Can you see I'm standing in front of our attendance stars board because I want to just say how proud I am of our attendance over the last couple of weeks. We've managed 94% for 2 weeks. Parents, carers, really, the government want 95% and above, but 94 is really, really good for us. So let's keep that going, please. We need to be in school on time and only off school if we're poorly. And parents, carers, please do keep us updated about any absences. We don't want unauthorised absences, do we? No, they're not good. But I know Miss Stamper has been working really hard to make phone calls and to check in with people. So please answer our calls. Please talk to us if we give you a call about your child's attendance, because this is a big focus for us. If you're not in school, children, you can't learn, can you? So there's lots more to do to make sure that we are doing everything we can to keep our attendance up. We don't want anything beginning with 8. And ink pen class, you have won attendance Eddie now. Is it 3 times in a row? My goodness, he will get very comfortable in your classroom. So a new week ahead. There's lots going on as always. And parents, carers, another little reminder that next Tuesday, so not tomorrow, next Tuesday, Miss Gattuso and Mrs. Tate will be running our online safety workshop. So please come to that, because our children know how to use computers so easily, don't they? And we need to make sure they're keeping safe. So I think that's enough from me, other than be ready, be safe, be respectful, and don't forget to dream, believe, and shine. Take care, folks, and see you later on time. Bye.